The other day I was about to spend about $30 on a problem that could be solved with a piece of scrap wood. What caught me off guard was not really the money, but how automatically I was about to make such an unnecessary purchase. I'd already walked into the store and was about to go look at the options for a new tripod I could use for filming my videos. I didn't really want to buy a new one with the same kind of plastic joints because I wanted something more durable. And then I realized that the only thing I really needed was this right here, and I just needed to make it reliably stay upright on my table. I don't need it to have legs or joints, I can just drill a hole into a piece of wood, so I turned around and went home. This tripod had been broken for over a year, so I'd been thinking about getting a new one for quite a while. But even so, it's so easy to not think all the way through before buying something. Of course, not everything can be fixed with a block of wood, but many things are just completely unnecessary too. I've recently been thinking a lot about the amount of new stuff being produced, and how to me, a lot of it feels like such unnecessary garbage. I don't really want to support that if I don't have to. It feels normal to me to buy clothes and tableware secondhand, and yet, with this tripod, it didn't even cross my mind. Now that I checked online, there are multiple second-hand options even close by. And here is the ridiculously simple solution all done. This will probably last me quite a long time, and if some part of this breaks someday, it surely won't be the wooden base.